Preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Yarn Club with Parikshit and me, Sawan. Today we are going to do some easy trick drawings. Very easy trick drawings that you, no matter how small a kid you are, no matter how good you are with drawing, you can always do that. So how do we start with? We take our hand. What do we need for this drawing?
The Sharpie.
A palm, a black sketch pen, and some colors. Let's get
Started.
Do you want to say something? Why?
So, with what do you
We'll take this palm. We'll close this finger
Yeah. And do this.
and we keep it like this. That's all.
I think I have to do this.
No, keep it like this.
Just like this.
Keep it like this, the way I said. You
Yeah, like this.
from your left hand. Use your left hand. You have the only thing you can take the right hand and do the drawings now. Don't turn the paper. Yes. So what do we do? Now we take the Sharpie. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep it over here. Now, these are the ears. So what do we do? Okay. The eyes are here. This is the nose. And here we have the tongue. Now we quickly color it up. So we're done? Show me your drawing. Show it to me. Wow, it looks beautiful. Isn't it?
Mine looks like a Rottweiler.
You want to say something to your friends?
So friends, if you enjoyed this drawing, please like and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to share your drawing
With us
with us.
on
Instagram
and tag us at the rate Kids Fun Yarn Club and hashtag
Kids Fun Yarn Club.
to win some exciting
Goodies.
See you in the next drawing. Have a good day. Bye bye.